Sustainable supply chain. Original script. In today's global marketplace, the pressure on companies to demonstrate ethical and sustainable practices extends well beyond their own operations to every tier of their supply chain. A sustainable supply chain integrates environmental responsibility and social accountability into every stage of production, from the sourcing of raw materials to the delivery of the final product. In practical terms, this means auditing suppliers for fair wages and safe working conditions, reducing carbon emissions in transportation and logistics, minimizing packaging waste, and eliminating the use of conflict minerals or unsustainably harvested resources. Increasingly, companies are using technologies such as blockchain and artificial intelligence to verify supplier compliance at scale. The business case is compelling. Companies that prioritize sustainable supply chains consistently report stronger brand loyalty, lower operational risks, and improved long-term profitability. In contrast, those that ignore these considerations face growing reputational, legal, and financial exposure. The lecture concluded that sustainable supply chains are no longer a corporate social responsibility aspiration, but a fundamental requirement for long-term business survival in a world of increasingly demanding consumers and regulators. Retell script. The lecture examined sustainable supply chain management and the importance of ethical sourcing and environmental responsibility in global business. The speaker explained that companies now audit suppliers for fair labor and reduced carbon emissions, using tools like blockchain for verification. Businesses adopting sustainable practices consistently gain stronger brand reputation and lower operational risks. The lecture concluded that sustainable supply chains are now essential for long-term business survival and planetary health. Keywords to hit: sustainable supply chain, ethical sourcing, environmental responsibility, supplier audits, carbon emissions, blockchain, brand reputation, competitive advantage, long-term success.